Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a three-way call on your iPhone. So let's get started. So in order to do a three-way call, first thing you're going to do is go ahead and open up your phone app. From there on, you're going to select the contact that you want to call. Here I have one in my recent, but you can do it on a contact or you type in the keypad. Doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and call first the person that you want to call, number one. So I'm going to call first person here. So I'm going to wait for them to go ahead and pick up. So, all right. So once they have picked up, in order to add a third person to this call, you're going to click on that add icon right here. So we're going to add, and then you're going to find the next person that you like to go ahead and add. In our case, I'm going to select another person here on my contact list, and it helps to have them in your contact list. If you don't, just add them as a contact. So I'm going to click on the next person. Now, once you have the third person on, all you're going to do is simply click on that call to add them to the call. And once you add them to the call, what's going to happen is it's going to put the first person on hold, second person answers, and then the final step here is to merge calls. So if you merge calls just like that, now you have a three-way call with the first person, yourself, second person, and the third person as well. Everybody's on the call. They can hear each other, talk to each other on the same line, just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.